Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tong. You are now watching the Audio Freak channel, and today's episode I want to show you guys a quick tip on how to get the Bricasti M7 Reverb unit impulse responses for free. Here is the website. I'll have the link in the description below. If you go down here, there's a couple different formats. The format that I used was the Wave quad channel files, 32-bit, 44.1 kilohertz. You click the link, it'll download to your computer and store that wherever you like. Unzip it, and in Pro Tools, I already have a Waves impulse response reverb plugin loaded, but I'll load it again. There's 4 different kinds. You can use whatever kind. You can load the impulse response in any of these. I'm going to use the IR1 full, and we'll go to load, import impulse response.wave.wir, and from here I'll navigate to where I downloaded my impulse responses onto my hard drive. And because this is a vocal bus, I want to load up a vocal plate. There we go.
Reach the bottom of my glass. How long?
And with this version of the plugin, you can lengthen the ratio, which lengthens the reverb time, and shorten it. You can add a pre-delay. There's tons of different parameters you can mess with. And as soon as you find some parameters that you like, you can save it into the menu as a preset. Boom. Just wanted to share this quick tip with you guys. I just recently found it myself, and I hope you guys like it. This is a new channel, so if you guys want to help me out, subscribe and tune into future videos. Thanks.